What is up, guys? Good morning in another episode. Today we're gonna talk about something that I recently discovered and is super helpful, and this is a mount for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So original mount, I don't have it here right now, has this sticking out legs and it's fixed. It's literally like this T-shape that you can't do anything about. So I really was like looking for some kind of replacement because I want to use it, but I want this mount to be also functional, right? I don't know why like DJI released this, you know, T-shape mount that is completely useless. So mostly when we, for example, are using any form of equipment, camera equipment, we have this screw that I have over here also. Probably I'm going to show you right now in the video, so you're going to see this. So I was looking for some kind of solution for a longer period of time and I couldn't find anything. But recently I found it. Look at this. This is something that I found, and look at this. So simple. Finally, my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro can be practical. With original mount that look actually like this, you cannot place it anywhere. DJI made amazing camera, but literally no one was thinking about the mount. How annoying the original mount is. So someone come up with solution and come up with something like this. Guys, simplicity. You can fold those legs, you can place it. I don't have to remove it, because with other one I have to remove it. Every time I want to use it, place it somewhere, I have to remove it and keep it somewhere in my pocket. Now I attach it once and it's staying here. It's no sharp corners, nothing here is sharp, and you can just put it on the flat space. Trust me, it's staying. It is nothing here bent, or I don't know, it's just super flat. The bottom of this is super flat, and moreover, you saw this already, you can do it this way, but also you can use a regular screw that we use for the cameras. And I don't understand why DJI didn't come up with such idea to make it work this way. Like, really, come on. So simple. It's flat, you can put it anywhere. You have a screw, so you can add it to any, like a tripod. Look at this. I have a tripod with me all the time. This is tripod for my camera, right? And for my phone. Has a screw. Do you see it? We have a screw over here. Usually I keep it just for my phone over here. This is one and only that I'm using for my phone, because this doesn't hold very well like a heavier cameras, bigger cameras. It's gonna hold like GoPro or DJI, but it's not gonna hold the cameras. Actually, here on the second mount. See? I have two of them. So let me unscrew this. This is the same thing. I have a screw. So I can screw it everywhere. So if you're not gonna buy a mount for like a specific equipment, mostly they're giving you, you know, this screw that you have everywhere with every equipment. So cool, so convenient. Everywhere where I am right now, and it has a magnet. I was thinking that this is not gonna have magnet like original one, but it has. That's it. So beautiful. Screw is very easy, even if it looks hard, it's really easy and fast. That's basically it. I can place it anywhere. I can put it to the GoPro mount anywhere. I can remove it also the same way like original, and it's not an obstacle like with original mount from DJI. So DJI, what the hell is going on? Seriously, this, I have also a mount here behind the back. I was using this with the previous GoPro. I don't have it right now, but it's mounted here on the side and it's like sticking out over here. So it's super hot. Sorry guys, I'm sweating, but it's super hot. AC is going, but like it's, I think 103 today. Yeah, 103. So this mount also has a screw. I think that this is so simple, so universal, but first time ever I feel like someone solved my like very simple but super annoying issue, and that's why I'm showing you this separate video just for a small thing like this. But I can't say enough how right now my life is easier, and how easier it is for me to just take any equipment I have and just screw this in. God damn it, so many mounts I have to wait that someone release something like this that's gonna be so thoughtful. So thank you to whoever designed it in China. and make it better than DJI did. The same way you can hook the camera, the same way it has magnet, so it didn't allow you this way, it's gonna allow you this way. So beautiful, look at this. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna give you links down below to this like equipment what I have, overall my equipment, but also this equipment here. This mount will be at the very top. And if you want to use like small legs, do not buy this. Go with something like it. It is like super convenient, and often with the camera I always like, I can like mount it anywhere, you know, really you can adjust it however you like, and trust me, it is so helpful to keep the horizontal level with the camera, or you know, just grab it somewhere, and if you want to hook it over here, you can just nicely bend it and it's gonna stay in this position. So if you want to buy something like a small tripod to action camera and whatever other camera you have, trust me, buy this one. So this is super useful and this is amazing. So these two together, finally I have solution for my pain. Like and subscribe guys, thank you so much. Links down below if you want to support me, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya! So I took off the microphone, but I want to show you how you should put the cable inside of the DJI Mic Mini. Maybe someone has it. You see, you have to keep it in this area over here where you have this space empty here, because when you're gonna spread it around the whole space, it's not gonna fit. This way you can place it over there, and yeah, it fits.